Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, center console with lighting, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.